Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. In this evening's edition of the Health Report, we look at toothache.
A toothache happens when the nerve in or around a tooth gets irritated. This is often due to decay, infection, injury, or even after a tooth is pulled. A toothache often starts suddenly, usually on one side, causing mild to severe pain. It may also affect the head, ear, and jaw. Treatment will depend on the cause of the toothache or swelling.
So if the cavity is in the nerve, for that tooth, it would need an extraction or a root canal. If it's not in the nerve, the dentist can do a filling. Oftentimes, teeth that have cracks that extend to the nerve, they also need root canal treatment. If your teeth are not in a straight row and they get abnormal knocks, over time that can cause the tooth to be tender and to ache, and even getting braces.
If left untreated, the infection can spread, leading to serious health complications, which can also be life-threatening. Persons are also warned against using certain alternative remedies to ease the pain.
I've seen patients come in with chemical burns beside the tooth, beside their tongue. Oh, I've been having this toothache and I crushed up a particular tablet or added some chemical that's either used in the household or in a motor vehicle to try to get rid of the pain, and it is not good.
In Jamaica, treating a toothache can cost anywhere from $15,000 to over $80,000 depending on the issue, which is why prevention is critical.
Make sure that your diet, what you eat and what you drink, doesn't have a lot of added sugar, and that you don't have it a lot of the times. Drinking water is the best drink for teeth for everybody. And I started before by saying that visiting your dentist every 6 months, or at the very least once a year, would mean that the dentist would be able to actually catch that cavity and fix it long before it becomes a toothache.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health. The Health Report.